How to fix Zoom error code 10004 on Windows 11. Check Zoom service status. Open your web browser. Go to the Zoom service status website. You can find a link in our article linked in the video description. Check if the relevant services are operational. If all services work properly, the issue likely originates from your system. Method 1. Manually update Zoom client. Launch Zoom. Click your profile icon at the top right corner of the window. Click Check for updates. Click Update if an update is available. Click Install. Method 2. Allow Zoom through Windows Defender Firewall. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog, type in firewall.cpl and click OK. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Scroll down and locate Zoom Video Conference. Mark the private and public checkboxes next to Zoom Video Conference and click OK. If Zoom Video Conference is not on the list, click Allow another app. Then, click Browse. Type in %app data% in the address bar, and press Enter. Go to the Zoom folder, and then access the bin folder. Select zoom.exe, and click Open. Click Add. Mark the checkboxes in the private and public columns next to Zoom Meetings, and click OK. Method 3. Clear Zoom cache and cookies. Navigate to the icons tray in the taskbar. Right-click Zoom, and click Exit. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog, type in %app data% and click OK. Access the Zoom folder. Right-click the data folder and click Delete. Launch Zoom, and click Sign In. Enter your login credentials, and click Sign In. Method 4. Install an older Zoom version. Right-click Start, and click Apps and Features. Scroll down, and locate Zoom. Click the three dots next to Zoom, and click Uninstall. Click Uninstall again. Open your web browser, and go to the Up to Down website. This website contains multiple older Zoom versions. You can find a link in our article linked in the video description. Select an older version, and click on it. Then, click the download button. Once downloaded, go to your Downloads folder, and run the installer. Once installed, unmark the Automatically Keep Zoom Desktop Client Up to Date checkbox, and click Done. Click Sign In. Enter your login credentials, and click Sign In. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's duplicate file finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.